Hello everyone, here is my profession app. It's called Fish and Trips, and it's an app for fishermen as well as an app for their friends and family. The mobile app includes beneficial features for the fishermen, and the tablet app includes location feature to keep track of where the fisherman is, as well as a recipe feature for when the fisherman brings his catches home. So let's get started. Here is the home page, and it includes all of the features. And let's get started with weather and pressure. Here it shows the weather of your location as well as the hourly and the weekly weather down here. And then right here shows the barometric pressure. Depending on the pressure, it will show if the fishing is poor or good. And here it shows that it's fairly good. So let's go to bait color. This feature is super cool. It shows you the best color of lure to use depending on the watercolor. So here you use silver and gold. Here you use fluorescent and black in contrast in the dark color for these watercolors. And then right here shows the light absorption. And as you can see, black is the best lure to use when you're going deep in the water because it shows the best. Let's go to gallery. Here the fisherman can keep track of all of his photos and his videos. Here we go to location. Here he keeps all of his locations that he really likes, and he can click on them to remember how to get back to them. And right here. Okay. Let's go to media. This is basically like an Instagram for fishermen, so anybody who has this fisherman app can get onto this Instagram. And then this is the home page. You have a search page, a place where you can add your images and your home page and your like page as well as your messages, just like Instagram basically. And then the last one is daily catches. This one, he keeps track of his catches and the number of fish he's taking home. Okay, now let's go to the tablet app. Alright, so this is the tablet app. It also shows all of the features, so let's go to location. So it will show you the location of your fisherman, so you're not worried about where he is. Shows you where he's been traveling as well as the distance and how he's been traveling and where he's at. Go to gallery. This one is just kind of a gallery so that the family can have the fisherman's photos to look back on. So if his kid went fishing, he can always look up his picture he had with his dad and stuff, or when they went fishing. Oh, I have another thing to show you. You can click on a picture and then you can click the arrows and it will go to the next picture. Okay, let's go to daily catches. This is basically forwarded from the mobile version so that the family knows how many he's bringing home and like what they need to prepare, what recipe they need to find for the type of fish. So let's go to recipe. Here you can type in the type of fish that you're looking for in recipes, and it will come up with a bunch of different recipes to use. Then you click on a recipe and it shows you the picture as well as the ingredients and the directions. And someone told me that it would be nice to add a highlight so when they need to go back and forth, they can just highlight where they're at so they don't lose their place. Anyways, that is what I have for my fishing app, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'd like to get some feedback on it. Thank you.